This video is going to be a review of a new side leather bag that I got from the Tripmachine, the Renegade. Here it is. Ever since I installed the Airbox Delete kit, which I think looks absolutely fantastic, I lost an ability to carry the side leather bags. Thankfully, a lovely person, Jay from the Tripmachine, reached out to say that he has a solution for me. And he sent me one of the new bags, the newest and latest. They call it the Renegade. They also gifted me a backpack that's also a pannier, but that one I will review in another video, and today I will focus just on the bag. It comes with a bracket and a waterproof poncho. The installation wasn't difficult for me because, like I said, I had half of the kit installed, but it shouldn't be any more difficult for those of you who have the stock panels fitted. And since you're replacing the stock panel with a very flat MK design panel, you actually get more capacity in your bag, which is very, very nice. It is crafted to fit the Interceptor or Continental GT, and of course you can get them in pairs, but since I wanted to keep see-through look of the Airbox Delete kit, I only needed one. The first big difference from my previous bags is that it comes on a flat panel that maximizes the capacity. For me, the additional benefit was that I already had half of it installed because it comes on the same bracket as I got from MK Design for the Airbox Delete kit. The second advantage is that it's attached by 2 or 4 screws which secure it completely and don't let it move around and cause any scratches to the panel behind because the sand got stuck in there. I have this lovely Ventura blue side panel, so I don't need to use the part that comes with the bag. The only tiny problem I had was that one of the bolts was a little bit too short. Well, maybe it's because of the panel I used, but I had to replace it with a slightly longer one, and then I got it installed in no time. The bag is made of quality materials. It's a combination of very nice to touch canvas and what feels like quality and sturdy leather. It hugs the bike seamlessly without compromising the storage space. It's waterproof inside, and it also includes the rain cover, the sort of poncho, and basically it ensures that everything inside the bag stays dry. The bag isn't noticeable when you ride and your legs aren't touching it, and it's still very, very comfortable. What's really cool about this bag is that you can actually access it while you ride. You can open and close it with only one hand. It's maybe the rare occasion when you really can't stop and access the bag, but in case it happens with this kind of lock, you can actually do it because you can undo it easily but also close it with one hand. The bag is quite big. It can fit a small lock. It can also fit threaded up tool roll full of tools. And there's space for more goodies. I think it's all you need really, and don't forget you can have 2 of them. And the best part for me is that I did not compromise a fantastic look of the Airbox Delete kit. Looks glorious. Those red filters looks absolutely fantastic, and I still have a side bag to carry the lock and other goodies, which is perfect. I also got this really cool, very good looking leather backpack that also turns into a pannier. It's classic roll top made of real leather, feels solid, very good quality. I'll give you more details in the next episode.